Alrighty, it is May 13th, 2021. It is Vlog 93. It is Thursday. Happy Thursday, everybody. And actually, today, it's the afternoon. Actually, it's not even the morning. Let me try that again. Okay, good afternoon. It is May 13th, 2021. It is Thursday, and it is Vlog 93. I'm excited. Already halfway through May, and I'm excited because next week we're going to go on vacation, so that's going to be cool. Need a vacation, I think. But today, it's the afternoon. I already was in DII today, and I will tell you about it later. But first, I think I need a tuning. And look at that little kitty right there. She's trying to go outside. You hear her? She's crying to go outside. So crazy. So we need a little tuning this morning. Or afternoon. Always good. I didn't even know if I was in tune here. I think I was. Oh, yeah, that's good. Nice tuning this afternoon. Well, let's go over yesterday. Let's see. After I did my vlog, I did the vlog in the morning yesterday. I had some computer work and just kind of got ready to go to the lesson with Maddie, which I have in the afternoon. Yesterday, she was a little bit tired. So that was kind of easy on her. I guess school is getting to her. Maddie, it's okay. Oh, listen to the kitty. Kitten. Kitty. What's wrong? Come here. Do I need to come get you? Oh my goodness. This little... Come here. What's wrong with you? No, we're not going outside. No. We're not going out. This little mama's... Say hi. Say hi. She's crazy right now. Wow. For those kitties that... Oh gosh. She was funny. Should I let her outside? No. See if she goes back. I just had to mess with her. She just needs attention. That little baby. But Maddie was just a little tired yesterday. I think school just started again, and they're going back to school. So I think the change is like messing with. Look at her. Yeah, if she starts crying, I'll be. Oh my God. All right. We have a little balcony there, but oh, she doesn't jump off the balcony, so I guess I'll do this quick. That little kitty. But anyways, yeah, the lesson with Maddie, it was nice though. I love hanging out with Maddie. You're awesome, Maddie. But I know she was working on homework and stuff like that, so she was a little distracted. It's all good. Just keep practicing your fingers, Maddie. And let's see. And then actually, I had some great conversations with Tim and Stephanie. It was awesome. It's kind of cool as you meet people. Actually, whatever. It's weird how people connect, and yeah, it was really good conversations. I like hanging out. I like teaching Maddie and hanging out with Hattie also. Hattie, and they got 2 new puppies. They're so cute. Oh my god, these poodles are so cute. But yeah, it was fun. Got some lessons down. Tim got some good lessons too, and we're like bonding with the handpan. It's really cool. So, but good stuff. I love meeting people. I love getting in contact with them, and making great connections. And they're great people. But I will see Maddie in a couple weeks because next week I'll be on vacation. So then I had the Ook Social afterwards, and Nikki, Hadley, and Dean came on, and it's always a great, like, I just love having the Ook Social. I think it's just going to continue. I'll just do that every Wednesday. It's pretty fun, and I love how everybody's progressing, and pretty soon we'll be playing together, which is going to be awesome. Yeah. But awesome. Nikki, Hadley, Dean, you guys are awesome. Let's see. Got on. Oh, and then we got. Yay! Actually, because I'm going to my phone, I have to do the weather. But I gotta show you guys something. I'm not bragging or anything. But let's see. iPhone. Ew. Nope. Gotta change it to camera. iPhone. Bang. Nice. And here is the weather for today. We have dark. It's actually partly cloudy outside today, and it looks like the sun's coming out. And it's gonna be the high 66, so it's mild. I already went to DII today, and it was okay, but it's just mild. So. Good day, but I was gonna. This is my new iPhone. Woo! Look how shiny that thing is. It is so pretty. The new iPhone 12 is pretty awesome. This is the Max white color. My case is coming, but oh my god, it's nice. I'm not trying to brag, but I needed a new phone actually. It was time for upgrade. My upgrade was up last year, so I held on to my phone. Actually, 2 years ago. I could have upgraded 2 years ago, and I was on the iPhone 7. Now I'm at the 12. Yay! And oh my god, this thing is so amazing. It's a lot faster. The screen is awesome. I'm just like, whoa. So that was my iPhone 12 review, and the door just closed. Hold on. Getters. She's just chilling. But anyways, let's see. So that was my iPhone 12 Pro Max review. Pretty rad. Very pretty. Feels good. It's a little bit more heftier. It's actually the same size as my iPhone 7 Plus that I had back in the day, or I still have. Because I was putting it up to it, and it's about the same size. But the screen, it just fills up the whole area. It's like crazy. And I was like, whoa, I was comparing the screen size. It's pretty gnarly. Maybe I'll show it later. But it was pretty crazy. But awesome. I'm enjoying the new phone. I'm being very careful because I don't have a case on it yet. So I heard I need to get like a glass screen protector because this screen scratches. So I want to get that too. So cool. Awesome. I'm updated on my tech, ready to rock and roll. Let's see. And also I did the password challenge. Oh my gosh. So many passwords. Passwords are stupid. But I always forget them. But thank God there's process. And then actually Carrie had for update on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. I was tripping on Monday. I had all the chills. Carrie had it too, and she was achy, but then she got another one last night. So, but I think she's good this morning. So everything's good. Vaccine front, Johnson & Johnson. You're my arm still slightly sore, and I feel not too tired anymore. Actually, yesterday I was tired, but today I'm okay. And I'm wondering what I want to do next with the ukulele stuff, moving from the 100 days going over. And actually, I was thinking about this. Start with like a song request or something like that, and I have to learn the songs and then do them on that day. That'd be actually kind of cool. I think I might do that. So do it live or something like that. That'd be kind of fun. But yeah, I want to do more ukulele stuff. It'd be really cool. And then today I already went to DIY, sold a handpan. That was awesome. Came home. The internet was out. We were having issues, but now it's all better. But yeah, I think that's all I have for us today. I have to do some stuff, so I'm going to finish right now. But yeah, that's all I have for us today, except let me check the birthdays. Birthdays. Ooh, Terrence Pitts. Yeah, what up, brother? Skateboarder friend. Terrence, you're awesome. I think I saw him at the skate park last time I was over there. It was good. It was good to see him. Good to see you, Terrence. You're the man. Happy birthday, Javier Schnell. What up, brother? This guy extraordinaire. Jessica Celeste Perkins. Jessica Perkins. I actually was a friend. This is what I like about Facebook. She was a friend from junior high. So funny. So good. Happy birthday to you. Who else is there? Here? What is this there? Don't know who this. Oh, Nolan. Oh, Nolan from. Oh, this is cool. Nolan. Oh. At one time, skateboarding, I went with my brother to go build houses with a bunch of skateboarders in Ensenada, and we built a house for a family. It was rad. But Nolan was one of the guys. These guys from Canada, these skateboarding guys, they were skateboarders from Canada that came all the way down. They bus rode all the way from Canada down to Ensenada to go build a house for a family. It was crazy. And we did that, and he was one of the guys, and he's, oh God, it's been a long time. But Nolan, hey buddy, I hope everything's good with you. I think it was a long time ago. It was almost 10 years ago. That's crazy. So he was like 18 and he's 28 now. Wow, that's amazing. What an experience. That was pretty awesome. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. So he was one of the guys. But happy birthday, Nolan. I remember that. It's pretty cool. But that's all I have for us today. It's Thursday. The rest of the day, I want to do some computer work, and I think I want to write some songs and play some ukulele for sure today, and handpan. I gotta do that. Make it a music day today. Music day for myself. Usually I'm sharing music, but I have to share for myself too. So I haven't been doing that lately. I do play every day though. I do play every day. But other than that, it's May 13th, Thursday, 2021. It is Vlog 93. That's all I have for us today. And like always, keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.